It's Brittany from the Empurrium. Welcome back to my channel. This is the 2024 vlog number 14. We're doing it. Okay, so in this vlog, I am going to show you some makes. I'm sure I'll have some mail. I should get my sewing blurbs. Yes, I will get my sewing blurbs before this vlog is over. I'm finishing up parts of my office. My friend Lauren will be here. So I'm really excited for that visit, and we're going to do a live together. I am currently halfway through filming sewing the Rowena for that tutorial. I just got to finish it in the morning. It's fine. It's like nighttime, so it's fine. I'm just going to randomly move my camera around the office so you can see different parts. I don't know where I want to be like my set filming spot, but I think I forgot to share in my vlog last time. This cost way too much, but it's worth it. I want like my main hardware to be here so I can see it all the time and like know what I have, and all I have to do is look and be like, you got a lot of rainbow rectangle rings. Anyways, so yeah, there's that. I have some retro stitch strikes to share. I just finished them. My Halloween pre-order is now wrapped up once you're watching this. I don't know what the next round is going to be yet. I think I am going to try to order like a decent amount of retail with the Halloween round. I haven't submitted it yet because it officially hasn't ended as of me recording this clip, but anyways, I'm gonna try to get some more retail. I might like sneakily order some more webbing. Yeah, I don't know. So anyways, Retro Stitch has a pre-order open right now. I sewed this really cute Sailor Moon like icon fabric. This is a trail tote. It is a free pattern from Noodlehead, and it's real basic. And the pattern has piping, but I've only done it one time because I don't need to. But little magnet closure, little tiny slip pocket, and then there is a big old zipper pocket in here. This is like a great bag for kids. There are two sizes. This is the small. The large is like this much larger. It's really big. It's just a nice little crossbody tote. And then I made this Gunther, a pattern from Sincerely Jen. This is the small. I've never made the large, but like this is the small. So I am teaching this as a class in Tennessee at So Magical Expo. My class is sold out, so there's that. But if you're going, I'm planning on bringing extra kits to sell. So this pattern is technically written with like a little shoulder strap about ish here, but we're gonna make it into a crossbody, and then instead of doing a recessed zipper, we're just gonna do a magnet here. And this is in the essence of time, saving time, because we do only get 3 hours, but it's so fun. There is 2 zipper pockets under here, so you like lift that up and access that through there. They're kind of like hidden. It's really fun. Also, I did not intend this, but you can see like Taylor's version right there. So cute. But this print is basically cats and books, and then Taylor Swift. It's really cute. I'm gonna save this and use it for myself. I think I'm gonna literally like use it possibly going to Tennessee. We'll see. In the pattern, because there's a recessed zipper, you have like this lining top, and I left it there. I think I might leave it there for class too, instead of just cutting like one piece. I haven't decided yet, because I'm like, the print on the top would be nice too. We'll see. I gotta decide. But there's also this fun little slip pocket in the back. So, really cute. Got some more holographic vinyl on the bottom. And then I decided a couple weeks ago, I was like, Brittany, you should really work on all the bags that you've cut out in the last couple years and you've intended to do. So I'm working on this Annette bag, and it's gonna be so cute. So it's got like a pastel Lisa Frank, some faux glitter, and then this is the zipper. Like, how cute. I accidentally cut my strap connectors, and I don't have more of this vinyl, so I did on my purple, and I'm not mad about it. But I'm using the Fairy Floss pastel rainbow thread, and then the interior is purple, but the zipper pockets are light pink. And then, like, look how cute that is. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna finish that before this vlog is over, for sure, because it's too cute. Alright, let's see. I'm going to finally record sewing this clematis that I cut out and do a tutorial for that, because right now I only have a clear clematis tutorial, and then I'm going to get the Mr. Heckles cutting and sewing videos up finally. I'm going to. So hopefully that's what's up by the time this vlog goes live. So fingers crossed, we'll see. Alright, it's a video, Thea. Thea and I are shopping for a secret pattern, and what are we going to do for you for a video?
So we are going to do a froggy pillowcase, a mousy pillowcase, and a kitty.
Yeah, Little Mermaid.
And for mommy, we are going to do these cute, adorable company kitties. If
Pumpkin
you guys
kitties.
know, we have a pink sewing machine from that I got on my
Thea
birthday.
and I are gonna do a video together for Christmas in July. I'm gonna teach her how to make little pillowcases.
We do not have my
machine set up. We'll set it up very soon.
We do not have my machine set up
All
yet.
done.
So
Get it to record. I was waving my hands down. Okay, I have a bunch of stuff to show you to wrap up this vlog. A bunch. Okay. First off, sewing blurbs came. I may have peeked already because Lauren was here, and she's like, "I want to see you open them," and then she almost recorded me that. I was like, that'd be weird. It's fine. So this month there is, it says Binded and Dyed Lavender Haze from Thunderbird Handcrafted. It's like a, kind of like a twill binding, but it's like a tie-dyed purple. The Zodiac is Leo Bright Creative Warm with the constellation. Really cute. This one says Happy Vibes. It has a checker print. This one's fun for back to school. It says Stay Sharp and Don't Give Up. And it's like notebook paper. This one is We Rise by Lifting Others. And then this is really fun. They're little, like, I think like faux leather. They say hang in there, and they got little kitty paws. So that is fun. So that was July. Whoops. Sewing blurbs. And then I've been working on like random projects I've had cut out forever, and I finished 2 clear and jelly Devon pouches that I've had cut out since I went to So Whatever Weekend in May last year. Lauren was here and we did a live cutting our monthly per object, which is a modified, like simplified, the one with more from Sincerely Jen Patterns. So we cut them live. She was here. We did it together. It was fun. If you haven't watched that, you can catch the replay on either of our channels. And then on Wednesday, July 17th, we are going to be sewing them together live. Unfortunately not from the same room, but she'll be at her house, I'll be at mine, and we'll have it like the dual screen like we usually do. Everyone was like, well, not everyone, but quite a few people were like, can you guys just do this in person every month? And we're like, could we? We might be able to do it sometimes, but we do live like an 8.5-hour drive apart, so either a flight or a long drive. It's a little bit much. We were like, can we alternate back and forth? We'll see what we can do sometimes. Because truly, love visiting each other. But it's a lot. I have not edge coated these yet. However, I finished 5 purse towels that I have had cut out for a very long time. I had intended, hoped, made a goal, failed. I'm not failed, but you know. I wanted to take these to my Halloween show in 2022, and it didn't happen, but that's alright. So I'm gonna edge coat those, and then they'll be done. I get to share this project that I've had done for a couple weeks. So there is a project box coming out from Lauren from More Me Know, Jess from So Many Creations, and Nicole or Nico from Sonar. They're doing a box together. They'll each have a pattern. You get a really pretty cork, some vinyl, other stuff. But this is the Sarah bag that Lauren is releasing in it, so I got to test it. It's really cute. I like it. She also is doing a backpack version, so you can pick how you want to do it. All the patterns will be released after the box comes out. They post a class for sale this week, and it is already sold out, and I may have snagged a ticket to go, so I'm excited. I've never taken a class before. I've only taught or helped, so I'm excited I get to take a class. So that's fun. Lauren brought me a couple of vinyls and a print that is going to be, this is in a couple months, I think. However, there are 3 new glazed vinyls coming out on July 15th, but these are 2 of them. So I'm going to try to sew something up real soon with them. There's just so much going on this table. I got another roll of the watermelon vinyl. It is sold out, but I'm sure she will get it back, I hope. I got another roll of the black lace because I finished my Rowena tutorial. I'm almost positive I did not share this in my last vlog. No, I didn't, because it just went live. So it's so pretty, but I used the black lace vinyl, and then I lined it in a print that just ran in my Halloween pre-order. So I'll have retail of this soon, but I am obsessed with this bag. I can't wait to make more. Whoa, what's up with my zipper? It is phenomenal. I'm gonna make a bunch of them. I'm hoping to be able to sell them at shows. It is like a higher price bag, so it could get a little interesting, but either way, I'm making a bunch. And I made my first Aries, which is also from Knotted Threads. This one's been out for like at least a year, but it is the first time I got to make it, so it's got those nice zippers. Love it. Okay, I think that's everything I made. Okay, more vinyl. I got another roll of concrete. Love this for making gray cats. Another prom pink. Love that. I love me a pink vinyl. And another roll of the little black outfit Ace vinyl glitter. I like to make sure I always have one of those on hand. And then a bunch of zipper tape. There's a new one, mixed berry ombre. It's really cute. Hot pink, always good. Baby pink, great. French rose, got all the pinks. And they sent me some scraps of some too, so love that. I am working on a secret project, just a little pattern to release during my 5 days of Christmas in July. I'm going to be doing, so look for that, July 22nd through the 26th. Really excited. But I bought some test fabric. What could it be? Alright, so there's that. And then also Thea and I, my daughter, if you don't know, I'm going to teach her how to make pillowcases. So just a real simple pillowcase using the little burrito method. It's going to be her first sewing project. So she picked out some frogs, some mice, and these kitties. And then I wanted some Halloween pumpkin cats. So we got the cuffs for that. And I got Nicole from Sonar. She released her first little set of fabric. And it was, they sold it through the More Me Know website. And Lauren brought that for me. I got it a couple weeks ago, but I was like, just wait. And I got a little package from my friend Brina. Her business is Craftzilla Starlight Magic. She wrote meow all over the package. So funny. I like someone coming to buy something soon, so I'm like trying to finish. She wrote meow on it again. Aw, she has little branded little bracelets. So cute. Oh, she sent me a little star and a little chapstick. I'm sure Thea will steal that. But she does like weekly drops, and she'll have like little crystals and things. Oh, so cute. Okay. She sells the bleach t-shirts. I keep meaning to order from her. I really need to. But oh, these are so cute. I got a little kitty cat. It's like Luna from Sailor Moon. This like shiny pink Dratini. And the cutest little star bottle with rose quartz in it. I'll put them on my little shelf. Okay. I think I showed you everything that's on my table, so I'm going to wrap up this vlog. The next 2 weeks, I'll be doing the live with Lauren on the 17th, and then the 22nd through the 26th, Christmas in July. If you have any suggestions, I made a post on the community tab, but you can comment on this video too. I have a whole list of ideas. I'm going to do the 13 days of Christmas again this year. And then like Christmas in July is just a little 5-day quick little thing. I like the quick little projects. I was just on the phone with my mom and she's like, do you have everything ready for it? I was like, no. I was like, I didn't when I did the 13 days either, but it's like a really good motivation to like, I gotta do this today. It gets interesting. So I have some good ideas and I've been looking for more. So some of the things I'll need to gather more materials for, I'll do like in December, but I at least have 2 of the 5 days planned for sure for this one. But like I said, if you have suggestions, let me know. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!